Rose! Rose! Where are you? Rose!
Si Rose.
Rose!
Jack!
Rose!
I'm going with you.
No! You have to go!
No, Jack. I won't leave
Jack.
you. Can't you understand?
Get on the boat, Rose. Now!
No, Jack. No.
Yes, get on the boat. I got my own boat to catch. See?
No, not without you. I won't leave you. Then what? You'll die here alone? No.
I'll be alright. Listen, I got my own boat to catch. I'm a survivor, right? Now go!
Tinulak.
Rose, what are you doing? No! What are you doing? You're so stupid. Why did you do that?
Please.
Alright.
Oh, God, I couldn't go. I couldn't go, Jack.
Okay, we'll think of something.
Alright.
Ah!